Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. KLARUS CL2. The KLARUS CL2 is a versatile power bank flashlight weighing 420 grams. It can be placed on a table or hung up, making it suitable for various situations. With 3 brightness settings, it can shine for up to 60 hours on a single charge in its most energy-efficient mode. It has a 10,400 mAh battery capable of charging an iPhone 15 2.5 times. Built with a shockproof case, it can survive falls from a meter high. Priced at $47, the KLARUS CL2 includes a storage pouch, a USB Type-C cable, and a lightning adapter, making it a reliable and practical tool for any adventure. RBM Outdoors Panda Air. The RBM Outdoors Panda Air tent offers luxurious comfort, making it a popular choice even for glamping sites, which combine the experience of camping with hotel-like conveniences. This inflatable tent can accommodate up to 8 people and is designed for use almost year-round as long as the temperature remains above 0 degrees Celsius. Covering an area of 12 square meters, it provides ample space for a family or a group of friends. The Panda Air tent is built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring a comfortable and secure shelter. Priced at $1,580, it's an investment in a high-quality, durable camping experience that promises comfort and ease. Trono. Meet Trono, the world's most compact and lightweight inflatable chair, according to its creators. Weighing just 800 grams, this chair can support up to 150 kilograms, making it both portable and sturdy. Whether you're in the desert or a snowy forest, Trono ensures a comfortable seating experience. It features reinforced bottom protection for added durability in harsh conditions. Additionally, the chair comes with straps for pegs to prevent it from blowing away in the wind. Trono stands out for its quick inflation speed, outperforming similar chairs. You can own this versatile and practical chair for $87, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. The high-gear Airgo Stratus 250 tent is perfect for 2 people and ideal for the harsh British summer. This compact inflatable tent can be set up in minutes, offering convenience and shelter in unpredictable weather. Meanwhile, the Decadal Smart Shell tent connects to your car, effectively turning your vehicle's interior into an additional room. It features multiple large awnings, providing space for activities like barbecues or playing cards even in the rain. Developed by the British outdoor products company, Go Outdoors, this tent is designed with versatility in mind, making it a practical. GoLo. The Dutch company Flago Bike has innovated with the GoLo platform, originally for robust cargo bikes with a 200-kilogram load capacity, 4 wheels, and independent suspension for smooth handling. This versatile platform is now a camping bike equipped with a solar panel, enabling up to 50 kilometers of travel per day in self-sufficient mode. During rest stops, it offers comforts such as a bed, ventilation, a versatile table, and a fridge. Despite these features, the GoLo remains compact at just 88 centimeters wide, suitable for bike paths. This innovation combines practical cargo transport with modern camping conveniences, providing an eco-friendly solution for outdoor enthusiasts.